how to fix phone not allowed or network not available error on Android. This tutorial shows you how to resolve network restriction errors on your Android device. First, toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh your network connection. Swipe down from the top to open Quick Settings and tap on the airplane mode icon. After that, restart your device by pressing and holding the power button and tapping Restart. From there, open Settings and tap on Connections, then tap on Mobile Networks. At this point, tap on Network Operators and select Auto to let your device automatically connect to the best available network. In the next step, go back to Mobile Networks and check that your network mode is set to Auto Connect or LTE. Following this, if the error persists, remove your SIM card carefully and reinsert it to make sure it's properly seated in the tray. Once done, go back to Settings and tap on General Management, then Reset and tap on Reset Network Settings to clear any network configuration issues. Finally, if the phone not allowed error is still showing, contact your carrier directly, as the issue may be related to your SIM being locked or restricted on their end. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you fix your network error, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.